When we design our products, we are always guided by our vision to create a better everyday life for the many people. Now, more than ever, we want to enable more people to live sustainable lives within the limits of the planet. As a part of our Scandinavian design heritage, we truly love to work with wood. Today we use wood more than any other material in our products. Wood is an excellent material from a design, quality and environmental perspective, provided that it's responsibly sourced, of course. Our wood is FSC certified or recycled.
It's embedded in our DNA to use the resources carefully and efficiently. And after the tree is cut, it's really important that we find our way to use the whole tree to avoid any unnecessary waste. We love to challenge ourselves to develop smart ways of working with wood, to reduce the impact our business has on the environment and create affordable products. We continue to design more products using less material. As an example, 20 years ago, an average pine log would have made about 11 PAX wardrobes. Today, after designing it in the new, lighter way, we can create 14. This is just one example out of many, because we want to create products where beautiful design and improved industries goes hand in hand. We will also increase the amount of recycled wood we use in our products. We have some great suppliers who already use only recycled wood, and we expect to see a lot more in the future.
It's the material of our past and of our future. With our ambition to become 100% circular business by 2030 using only renewable and recycled materials, we are exploring and innovating new ways to use wood in other products, like wood-based textiles or replacing single-use plastic and a few others that are still secrets.